You give them a little area that was covered, they're gonna eat up everything in there. Good boy, get that thing, get that worm. Yay! Get that worm. Yeah, you good boy. Come on, chickens. Hey, chickens. Come get them worms, chickens. You better hurry, the bugs are gonna hide. Hey, chickens. Oh, he ate that worm. He suckled it up like it was fine gourmet. Like it was some pasta. Hey, chickens. They don't like the centipedes for some reason. Hey, chickens. Get that worm. Yeah, get you that worm.
That was interesting. I was playing all these country songs,
Get that worm.
and about the fifth one in was Upchurch, singing Simple Man.
That's because I search it all the time, so it goes into my algorithm. If you don't play
You want to hear the song I was listening by Alan Coe, I had to stop it.
it.
You know he's a Texan, don't
Yeah.
you? It was one of his 18 famous X-rated songs.
I didn't know you had any.
Yeah, he was sitting there singing about.
Loving and
Well, no, he's
loving.
singing about.